I myself Samir Shah, and I am from Ahmedabad Excellence Infocomm, and I came here to having the happiness culture in our organization. I heard of Happiitude, and it's amazing. It's a happy thing, and there are a lot of takeaways from these 3 days boot camp. I see a lot of ideas, a lot of implementation things which we can done in our organization, and for engagement and attracting the right talent. We got a lot of ideas what we thought of we need to take away from this, but we got other ideas as well to have those gaps to fill with it, and that's what I really appreciate how the bootcamp runs with the exploring the more tools and having more clarity in what we can do or how we can implement, and that's amazing. It's happy. Thank you.